Patio Rendain. Number 1 scorer para sa kanyang kupunan. Turned back that time by the defense of Coco Life. Kalimao. Ando naman si Arado. Ingrid on the back set. Neta gets it on the line.
That was out.
Matalim ang kanyang serve. Quick play, naabangan si Palek, Ria Meneses. Itong kupunan ng Coco Life, one of the youngest teams dito sa ating liga. Now starting to subscribe to the system dito si Coach Moro Branislav. It will take some time. High school, college pa lang kayo.
Tagal nyo nang magkakilala.
Oo. Mao!
Too much power in that last attack.
Agad, as in automatic ma-apply niya dito sa kanyang kupunan. Quick play, Mika Lopez again. Akala mo hindi tutuloy eh.
Dating this coming March, susubukan daw niya ulit maging part ng national team at promise niya, ibibigay niya ang kanyang puso at to represent the country. Noel Garino.
Did a great job. Abang-abang ang tira dito ni Fiola. Kabila naman, Neta. Abangan naman dito ni Fio. Kabila ulit, Fiola. Oh! Fio. Higpit, balik kay Fio.
Oh, wow! And again, Viola Ceballos just finding that gap.
Ceballos. Never net defense now in the presence of Gana Baroga. They go to Fio.
Not over.
Oh, then great cover. Fio. Neta. Bumabagal na, Generica Ayala. I'll go to Gaira on this one. Gaira Baroga!
Great job by Gaira.
Yoko ngayon. Setting it up for Gaira Baroga. Back set ngayon, Neta! She scored 20 in her debut.
Diba?
And Mika Lopez on her way to 20.
Nawan.
Bigla ako natang. Tayo doon. Bow! Ang middle hitters, pero ang ganda ng timing.
Napaka-importante niyan if you're a blocker.
Down the line, good again from Neta.
Adjustment nung una because the training and level of competition dito sa Manila is definitely harder. Pero ngayon nakapag-adjust na daw siya and their family has motivation.
Yan ang Angustia. Arado.
Great
Combination!
job.
Lopez can't convert. Mao's gonna charge on this one.
So good.
Got Arado keeping it alive. Neta. Then, Jingay. Kalemo!
There you go.
Orendain. Neta, jump set ngayon. Papunta kay Riri. Mao out of position. Who's gonna set this time? It's Bang this time. Orendain. Ho-ho-ho! Kanya. Sino gusto mag-center? Ako. One more time around. Neta. Pati Orendain.
Neta, jump set.
Free ball is the result. Bangat, what does she do? Goes to Yana. Yana siya. Lumalabas na naman ang swag. Yu. Arado sends it back. Chance here for Coco Life. Back set, Gaira. Yes! Pati, great dig that time. Here's Mao. They go to Lopez.
Look at that. Three blockers. Paun yun ni Hingpit eh.
Oo. Jingay. Mao.
Now finally finding that gap.
And Mao. Hoy, pinalikagan ni Riri. Riri! Yes! Jingay back set. Wala na naman si Mao doon. Almost scores though. And Mao says thank you very much.
She has been a target eh, in terms of defense.
Oo.
That's what she's focused on. At hindi masyadong maganda yung pinapakita niya.
Neta, alam niya nagkagulo.
Yep.
Pwede Denistan ulit mag-set. Pwede naman yun eh. Oh, Ria Meneses!